YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Trey 2-Time, and I'm back again with another video for y'all today. Summer Walker's out there project not too long ago, man, a couple weeks ago, called Finally Over It. So if you know me, I love Summer Walker, man. I really love her productions. So I'm gonna give y'all a Summer Walker type beat tutorial for y'all today. R&B vibes, man. Y'all know the deal, man. But anyway, if you haven't already, if you're new to the channel, go and subscribe to your boy, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you stay updated when I drop any new beat videos and any new beat content. But that's enough talking, man. Let's go ahead and get into the video, man. Let's do it. All right, we got a fresh new FL Studio project pulled up, man. For today's tempo, I'm feeling about 120, man. So good R&B vibe. Let's get into it. All right, for our first time, man, I'm going EP, man. Electric piano. Y'all know I gotta go electric piano on them R&B vibes, man. I'm going with the Jade out of Summer Nights preset bank by Lifestyle Did It and Infinite. Shout out to them boys for their preset bank, man. Y'all boys did a good job on that. Sound like that. So let's get started. Feeling something like that for the first chord, man. We got A natural, C natural, E natural, G natural, everything natural. So can't beat that. All white keys. But yeah. I'm gonna keep it simple, man. I may use like 2 chords, maybe 3, a little something at the end. So all right, so at the end, the unique thing about it, I just brought that E at the top and just brought it down an octave. So it's really the same chords, that D, B, and that G. They give it a different little vibe though. So yeah, hey, it's amazing how music work, bro. So option S on that, strum that too. All right, so we're not gonna go crazy on the mix, man. Not too much on these chords, but bring down the low end. Just close off some of that unneeded sound. Bring a little bit of the high mid up. Yeah, that sounds good. I think that's really all we need, to be honest. I probably go a little bit compression, just a little bit. About right there is cool, perfect. Yeah, that's good. Oh my God, it's just sounding good. I might go chorus, y'all, just a little bit, just a hair. Yeah. And I might just do a hair reverb, y'all. Just a hair. We're going to go at 80s and keep it on concert hall. Bring up the low cut. Turn the mix down quite a bit. Somewhere about 23. 22-ish. Yeah, that's good. Next sound, let's do it. All right, y'all. Next time we got the classic synth pad. Same preset bank, man. Summer Nights by Infinite and Lifestyle. This was called Perfect for Layering, and it does sound perfect for layering. Layer your sounds, man. It always help add more depth to your sound, man, to your beat. So we pretty much gonna lay down those same chords, y'all. All right, now we got all the chords plugged in, man. We're just gonna highlight everything, hit Command L. They'll stretch everything out, man. I try to teach y'all shortcuts too as we go, so I know that was a big help. One thing I wish more YouTubers did when I was actually learning how to make beats and watching tutorials, that they never really told the shortcuts. But yeah, Command L is how you stretch everything out, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all hear that? I'm not gonna lie, that really don't even need much for real as far as mixing. That sounds really good already. Like I said, they did a really good job with this preset bank. Not gonna lie. All right, one thing I don't want it to be is louder than my electric piano chords. I never like my embellishment sounds louder than my chords, my background sounds. So I'm gonna turn it down slightly. Always watch y'all metering, y'all. That's how you know something is louder than the other. That's good, but I am gonna put some EQ on it. Add some more air, the mid, high mids, with that presence. That sounds good. I might do some reverb on that too. This does not need compression. Not every sound needs compression. Man, that sounds good. It's giving like a good, perfect amount of background element. But next sound, let's do it. All right, y'all. Next sound we got is Babyface Times. This is gonna come out of the 90s R&B Essential preset bank. I used it in my other videos in the past if you've seen it. But it's on Analog Lab, man. It costs about $90-something for the whole pack. Really good pack. Y'all check it out. Almost sounds like the Crystal Road, something like that. But let's lay something down. Oh yeah, that's real smooth right there. Let's go ahead and cut off these tail ends. Mixer time, man. We going straight in with the EQ. So some of these frequencies are a little harsh. Not gonna lie. All up in there. Bring the whole. Go ahead and make the whole thing wide and just kind of cover that whole area. Yeah, straight like that. All right, for the next sound, man, we got the Efforts acoustic grand piano. Lifestyle did it infinite, Summer Night preset bank, Analog Lab. So I'm thinking something that's kind of like real mystique, man. It's gonna sound real backgroundish for this. So I'm gonna play some, man. Let's just see. I think I kind of messed up a little bit on this one. No, I don't think I want to be that high. As y'all can see, I kind of want to do like a kind of descending type, fading away, boom, 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 decrescendo. Mixer time. Man, this don't really need nothing for real. Probably just do a baby monitor compression. Probably don't even need that. I'm gonna turn it down. I don't want it too loud. I'm gonna do a little reverb on it too, y'all, just a little bit. That's actually good. One of these is offbeat. All right, nobody wanted to tell me that I had that piano part kind of little offbeat, but I fixed it. Beautiful. Next sound, man. I just may add like 1 or 2 more sounds. Usually those R&B beats, you don't want to put too many sounds in them, y'all. You don't want to clutter it up because you got a singer and they're going to be using their voice as an instrument. Your voice is an instrument, so you're going to let them do most of the work. You really just want to make background, elements for that singer to be able to really kind of just go crazy on, all right? So let's try to find maybe 1 more sound and kind of spice it up slightly, and then we'll add like a bass. I really kind of want something out the ordinary, y'all. I'm not going to lie. All right, the next song we got, y'all, is called Dedicated. Lifestyle did it infinite, Summer Night preset bank. Kind of got a nice little swell sound to it, man, but I'm going to use that. Something real nice and subtle, man. Like I told y'all, you really want to make sure that you don't put too much in y'all R&B beats, y'all. You want to make sure everything is fitting just right. Give that artist enough room to be able to breathe and be able to let the beat just kind of just be in the background for them. All right, so I don't know if y'all hear it, but it's kind of like a white noise going in the background, man. If y'all look real close, it's actually an electric piano. Y'all see it's kind of making a smaller movement. Y'all can see it down here too on the EQ, but I guess that's just what's going on in the preset, how they made it. So if y'all hear that, y'all please bear with me. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, back to mixing this embellishment sound we got. That wave right there. Yeah, we definitely want to bring that down. I want a lot of reverb for that. All right, the next thing I'm gonna use, man, is a sub bass, man. I'm gonna use the sub #1 out of the RB's R&B collection. I find that pack somewhere on YouTube. Y'all type it in, search for it. It cost me a little bit of money. Can't remember how much it cost, but first thing I'm gonna do is bring the attack down, bring the hold out, decay down. I may play with the release and sustain and decay a little bit later, but I just want to lay down a little basic pattern right now and add some slide notes in and some variations so it cut itself. One thing I forgot to mention, man, make sure y'all put a soft clipper on your master, man. Soft clipper. Usually put that on your kick or your 808, but I just put mine on your master. If you want to just avoid trying to individually do it, just put it on your master. It'll work the same way. All right, I think we want to something like this. Yeah, something like that. I want to add a slide note somewhere here. Yeah, see if I can slide it over a little bit. And to kind of get rid of that popping that y'all kind of hear, we can go back to the attack, kind of just lay it in just a little bit. Yeah, y'all hear the difference. Oh my gosh. All right, we're just gonna copy and paste the same thing over and kind of freak it a little bit some type of way. Man, make that a slide. Yeah, I had a little bounce with it. Let's go back and play with the release so it don't decay, sustain, release. Yeah. All right, y'all, my camera might be overheated, but let's try to finish this video out. Set to the mixer, man. Let's make that a little bit louder. That's actually pretty cool, man. I might do a little compression on it so it don't do too much. That's actually perfect, beautiful. All right, time for the drums, man. Let's do it. I'm liking clap 1, R&B Essentials, man. Lifestyle did it. Go with a kick. I think I'm feeling, let's go with that one. Kick 3, R&B Essentials kick. And for a hi-hat, I think it's something short and dry. That one, 7. That's really all you need. Just that one hit right there. Go ahead and send some of them drums to the mixer. I remember started like 20. But that open hat, I want more reverb on that one, y'all. Y'all hear it. I'm gonna put a little baby amount of reverb on the I had 2, y'all, just a little bit. Just add a nice little vibe to it, man. Make it spacious. Some type of perk, maybe a rim. All right, y'all. My camera keeps overheating, y'all. I'm trying out this new format to record, but we're gonna make it work. Go back to the video. I may see me looking at the camera a lot to make sure the battery ain't dying too quick. But anyway, yeah, got that little rim in there. Let's find us a nice little perk. I like that shaker, man. Go with that shaker. That may be the last thing I add. That was an accident, but I like that. I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna actually pan these, y'all. These last two, yeah, one going completely to the left, completely to the right. If you got headphones on both ears, you'll definitely be able to hear it. Same thing over here. Yeah, and I'm gonna actually turn the velocity down on all of them. They actually pretty loud. Let's bring them down. Yeah, I like that. That's smooth, man. I actually think that might be it for it, y'all. Honestly, don't think it need nothing else, but I'm gonna go ahead and arrange it, y'all. Mix it up real good, and I'm gonna play the full beat for y'all in just a second. All right, y'all, I got the whole beat mixed up and arranged real good. Didn't do nothing crazy, just added some rises and some reverse cymbals just to add to that dramatic effect to the beat. Took out some elements, man, so y'all know the artist, the singer can have some space to do their thing, man, get their shine on with their vocals. So I'm gonna let y'all hear the whole beat, man. Check it out. Real vibey, man, real spacious. My God. Hey. You can't tell me this beat ain't the one, man, for sure. It's Summer Walker vibe for real. Hey, and they all have it, man. That's the beat. Nice little Summer Walker R&B type vibe for y'all today. If you made it this far to the end of the video, I really appreciate you. If you're new to the channel, go hit the subscribe button for your boy. Hit the notification bell so you stay updated when I drop any new beat videos, any new beat content. Hit the like button for your boy, because you know I need that like. And drop your comments, man, any type beats y'all want me to make for the future, man. Give me some content to make, man. I really appreciate y'all support, y'all feedback. But anyway, man, that's enough talking. Appreciate our love and support so far. It's your boy 2 Time. I'll holler at y'all next time, man.